What up, peeps? Just chilling with my nephews right now, and they had a little problem, which is their door. They got locked out. So if you get locked out like these two idiots do, see him trying to run, they don't want to be caught. They gotta call me up so I can pick their lock.
Do not keep.
All right, come here, come hold this. So just a regular lock, deadbolt lock. They lost their keys. Two pieces. Pick their lock for them. What you trying for, huh? Seems like my tools get messed up. I've been doing this too many times. You hear all them clicks when I do that? Those are called ball pins. This is called cycling. You're just knocking your pins up. Hand me that tool set over there. Jeremy, hand me my set over there. Yeah, over there. See, pipes get messed up.
Because it's bending. You see, it's
So
a
we're gonna
lock
get another
right
tool.
here. Tools. Wooden door. Let's put on the wooden door. Imagine it's on a metal door. Can't you pick them big dome locks?
Which one?
Like the big metal ones that's big like this?
Mm-hmm.
You can? What you go to my school and pick this one? It broke their lock cutters because it couldn't cut the lock off.
Is it a padlock?
Yeah, it's like a big lock. Like they locks, so you know how they got the gates? And then it's that big dome lock.
Oh,
It's a big metal lock. And the when they tried to cut it with the lock cutters, it broke.
they broke their lock cutters.
Yeah. Nobody know how to pick it. I know how to pick. I know how to pick this. I know
Looks
how
like
to
I'm gonna have to be buying another lock set. Send this one back in.
Sorry for the interruption. Keep working on it. What you want?
What the hell, dude?
It's messed up. He's up. Hey, don't call me.
There you go.
See, watch. Y'all see it? Ooh, easy.
This one's a little bit harder. I picked it earlier. I guess maybe messed up some pins in there. Let you pick it just like that. And that's what happens when you lock yourself out.
You about to pick it again?
Yeah, we make sure the lock's not messed up. Stop, Egypt. You
If it's messed up, what's
lock
wrong?
yourself out. You gotta call someone like me. There we go. 30 seconds. Ow, not even 30 seconds.
And that's how you pick your lock. It's called, what's your number?
330-284, help me. Haha.